Ever wished you could get your DoorDash earnings instantly without paying fees or waiting for weekly payouts? Well, the new DasherDirect cash out system for 2025 makes it ridiculously easy. And today I'm breaking down exactly how to use it so you can access your money right away. So here's how it works. Once you're approved and your DasherDirect card is set up, all of your earnings are deposited automatically after each dash. No button to press, no fast pay fee, no waiting period. You finish a delivery and the money shows up in your DasherDirect balance almost instantly. That alone makes this one of the best perks DoorDash has added for Dashers. If you just received your card, make sure you activate it in the DasherDirect app. Until your physical card arrives, you'll still have access to a virtual version, which works for online purchases. But keep in mind, you won't be able to use that virtual card for ATM withdrawals or most in-store transactions. Once your physical card arrives and is activated, you're fully set. Now, when it comes to using your earnings, you've got two super simple options. First, you can withdraw cash at select ATMs or participating stores like CVS or Walgreens. Inside the DasherDirect app, you'll find a map showing fee-free locations, which saves you from paying unnecessary charges. And second, you can transfer your money straight to your personal bank account. Most transfers take about 1 business day, which is still way faster than the old weekly payout system. That's really all there is to it. Instant earnings, flexible access, and no extra fees. DoorDash finally made it easy for Dashers to control their cash flow. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want more quick tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.